This week we can see that the price has tried to reach the higher levels, and that was the successful way on the Monday and also on a Wednesday, where we can see these two candles, which are bullish ones, that put the price on the higher levels. And we can see how the week has ended. It is on the price that is higher than the open price of this week, which is a great signal. So if we take a look from Monday, what has happened in the previous analysis last week, I have mentioned that the price will try probably to reach higher levels again because of this candle that has closed above this critical level where the price was held in the previous week. So the price started on a Monday to move to the higher level, and that was a successful one, which is great because the price has reached the previous week high, which we can see here, 1.10446. From there, the price returned back down again because the price has tried to reach again the higher level, but we can see that this week on the Tuesday candle has reached this supply zone around 1.10755 price level. From there, the price returned back down and reached the first support, the smallest support we can see here from the previous week, which has held the price until the Friday. The price stopped there, did not reach the lower levels, even though there are no wicks, the large wicks on the lower side that would point and to suggest that the sellers have tried to reach the lower level, which means the buyers around this area is very strong and they have pushed the price again on Wednesday to the higher level. We can see that on Wednesday this push has managed to reach 1.1094, which is the next to the highest level we can see in the past. So from there, the price could not close the day above this price level, which is 1.104. The price has closed the day slightly below that, and on the Thursday we can see that the price has closed as a bearish candle, where the price has returned back down, testing this support where the demand zone is, and also where the buyers are pushing the price up, and also where the buyers are holding the price above this confluence of support. Then on a Friday we can see that the price has returned back down again, reaching the lowest level this week, which is below these three candles here, you can see it, and the price, even because of that, the price has returned back up, which means the buyers have pushed the price again to the higher level, not allowing the price to close below this confluence of support. We can see that this is a trend line, which is the uptrend, which is acting now as a support, and we have here horizontal, a monthly support right now on a daily time frame, which is also a great signal because this month has ended with this candle. So let's see on a weekly time frame how this looks. Well, we can see that this week has ended again as a bullish candle. In the previous week I have mentioned that this bullish pin bar, which it has formed here right on the support level, was a great signal, it seems, for the price, that the price will continue to move up. So we had a daily signal. In the previous week we had a weekly signal that the price could continue to move up, and that has happened. We can see that this price here, which is currently a bullish candle, has ended with the open price and a close price, with a close price higher than the open price. So this is also a bullish candle, which is confirming that the market is currently in the bullish mode. Currently we have here some kind of a pin bar, which is suggesting that the price could return back down. But this pin bar is not formed right on the supply zone, which means on the resistance. It should be here to be much more valid and have more significance than it is right now. Currently it is just a candle, bullish candle right here on the support level, which I am not taking as a bearish signal at all. So currently we can see that the price has managed to stay in a bullish mode also for this week. Now let's see how this looks on a monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, which is also the month end currently, we do not have any more days in this April, so we can see that this month has ended as a bullish. We can see that the monthly time frame candle has managed to go above this uptrend, which has acted as a resistance in this month. This resistance has been broken, and also this horizontal 1.09860 resistance level has been broken on a monthly time frame where the price has closed above, which is a great signal for the buyers. So if we make analysis for the next month on a monthly time frame, and we will see with the weekly and also daily time frame, we can say that the current market price has managed to break above and the market looks bullish. The next month will be one of the important ones, because after the breakout has happened, it is good to see the candle doesn't return back below, which would suggest that the breakout would be a false one. In this case, we need to see the next month, which is a May, how the May will end. But to determine how it will end, we need to see a weekly and also the daily time frame. But for now, we can see that the price has managed to close above, and it has reached a great level here, 1.1 price level. And the next one where the price could go is, and will have a problem, is this one. We can see that this run 1.1075, which is also visible here, is a critical one. We can see that this month, on April, the price has reached this price level and it has bounced back down. The resistance level here, where the supply zone is, was a critical level for the buyers, which took the price back down, but it is a great signal that the price did not return us all the way down. So we can see also that the price has reached higher levels, but this is also the area where the buyers have exited from their trades that pushed the price from this area here. So we will see what will happen in May, but for now we are expecting the price to break this price level. If this happens, we will see on a weekly time frame. The next one where the price is targeting is this one, 1.115. So for the next month, it is critical that the price stays above this support area, which is a confluence of support right now, and from there we are trying to see the price on higher levels, which is close to this one, around 1.115. Now let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has closed as a bullish candle, and the next level where the price will have a problem is closing the week above 1.1046. 1.1046 is a weekly target for now, and after that the price needs to close is 1.12. So these are the critical levels for the weekly time frame. So we are expecting for the next month that the price will try to break this one, close the week above, and then close the week above 112. So if we take a calculation in the monthly time frame, where I have said that 1.115 is a critical level, we can see that on a weekly time frame that critical level is 1.112. So as the market looks right now, the market has closed above. The next week is also critical to stay above this area, doesn't go below the down, which would suggest also a false breakout on a weekly time frame. So currently we have a breakout on a weekly time frame where we have the price above, and the goal is to stay above next week. If that happens, we will have confirmation that this area here, 1.09860, is acting now as a support on a weekly and also, on a weekly time frame, not monthly, not yet. Now let's see what we can expect on a daily time frame, which is a critical one for us to confirm the future move. The price is still in the uptrend, so we can see that the price have the next goal to break about 1.1045. So this is the critical level for the price on a daily time frame. Okay, so the next week I'm expecting that the price will stay above this confluence of support, because we have seen that this area here is acting as a great demand zone where the buyers will hold the price and prevent it from moving down. The sellers that are currently here on this supply zone are not so strong, because we can see that they could not push the price stronger below that and could not close the price below 1.097. If we take a look in the past, 1.104 was the critical level for the buyers. Now let's see what was in the past. We can see that in the past this was also critical level for the buys, which is 1.1029, which is close to price level 1.104. So the price needs to break this area on the daily time frame, and then the next one where the price will have a problem is 1.1066. So currently we can see that the daily have problems around 1.104, and the ultimate goal is 1.106. This will confirm a breakout on the weekly time frame, which will be a great signal for the monthly time frame also. So everything is pointing that the price will continue to move up, and we can see that the price, when reaching 1.1075, which is the next daily supply zone and also resistance level, we will see the price bouncing from this area down. So you can see that this little supply zone around this area here, 1.109, has in the past pushed the price back down. So we can expect that the price will make the same scenario. And from there we will see where the price will go. Will it try to break above, or it will return back down and stay inside this area between these two price levels, between 1.107 and between 1.098. We can see that the price this week has stayed inside this area, so it could happen for the next week. But for now, I would look for any price action signal around this demand zone, this support level, that will point me to the upside, where the price will probably move in the future days. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.